YouTubers, what's going on? Got another video. This video right here is the swap out, I guess you would call it. I was supposed to do the car for my cousin. Somehow, something or other, something went awry, you know what I'm saying? But whatever it was, I can't stop, you know what I mean? They just had to catch me at a later time when it slowed back down. But for now, I got this in. I started stripping down the interior already. It's a 300Z. The body in pretty good shape. It's gonna get a repaint, interior do-over. And it's gonna get an engine swap. But you're gonna have to stay tuned for that one. You got like one or two little dings. I know definitely a little ding in the back, but that's nothing. Stripping this interior down, it's like 130,000 degrees. That's my boy right there, Big Cole. He like to come in and try to help me from time to time. But right now he just in the way. But that's what I got. I got the back seat stripped out. Most of the back trim is out. I got the T-top brackets, well not brackets, but the trim out for the most part. That right there, by the T-top, it started to rust. So I'm guessing it got a little leak in the T-top area somewhere. So I'm gonna get some new trim for that, and I'm gonna try to work on some seals. The seats, they've been dogged out. Excuse the pun, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I got the seats at the house. I'm about to work on them. The interior is gonna match the exterior, but I'm gonna have to give you that information later because it's classified right now. Stay tuned. This is just a little info. Let you know I won't stop, won't quit. I'm staying on the grind all the time. Even though you see me, you don't see me. Like, comment, subscribe. Holla at me. Peace.